Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Guys, today in this video I'll be talking about few important sketch tools which will make you more efficient and which will help you to make the drawing more faster, like offset, mirror, etc. So let's open the part first. Take a plane and change the unit first. I've taken here millimeter gram second and I'll be taking the front planes. So you can see here I have taken here front plane, and here we have the offset tools. First we'll know that how it helps us. An offset tools is used to offset a sketch entities to the specified distance. Like I'll just make some things and then I will explain you. So simply I'm just here taking a line. So I want to create a offset over here. So you can see here, just click on the offset tools and click on the line. Now you can see here we have so many options. I will uncheck everything first, then I will come back to this later. Now you can see basically what is happening. So you want to offset these lines with a certain distance. You can see here the by default value it has taken 10 mm. Suppose I want to make it 20. Let's make it 20. Now you can see the line is getting offset from here to here 10 mm. But you can see here add dimension option is there. So if you want to add the dimension, so you can add the dimension also. We'll see here from here to here the dimension will be added automatically over here. But you can see your offset is coming to the downwards, but I don't want to get it in the downwards. So for that what you can do, you have here options reverse. You can select the reverse also. Now you see how it's getting offsetted. In the same way, if you want to get the offset bi-directional, like both the side you want to get the offset, you can go with this option also, bi-directional. I'll select the bi-directional. Now you can see here the option here reverse got deactivated because we are using the bi-directional options. Now you can go with this OK. Now you can see here as we have added the dimensions, you can see here both the side 20 and 20 the dimension has added. Now I will show you one more thing. You can see here so many options still are there, so we'll check all those also. Now you can see here we will go for end cap. So if I'll just go with this, let me select anyone, uncheck this bidirectional. I'll be going with this. Now you can go with this end cap. So what is happening here? Both the side is getting closed over here. Now you can see and here in the end cap we have two types. The first one is line. If you select it will form a rectangle. You can see over here. Now you can see it's forming a rectangle. Why here you can see this line is blue in color? Because the length of the rectangle is not defined still. Okay, you can see here. So this is one way, like by using just one line only we can form the rectangle also. I'll just undo it. I'll show you other things also. You can see here you have one more options. You can see here arc. So I want to get the closing like an arc. You can see it will create a shape like a slot. Now if you go with this OK, you can go with the OK. So this is what your offset tools. Still we will go for this. Now I'll make a rectangle. We'll take some other example. Now you see here. Now I want to go for offset. You can see I'll just click on the tool. Sketcher part itself, construction geometry. I mean the new one is construction geometry. Now you can go with this offset geometry. Even you can go for the both also. Go with this. Okay. In any sketch, if the original entity change its dimension, the offset also will change its dimension automatically when you rebuild it. So guys, hope it's clear. Next we will be moving for other tools, that is called mirror. Mirror is also one of the most used tools that will help you to increase your drawing speed, and if there is any symmetric object you don't need to create that entity twice, so you can avoid that by using mirror tools. So let's move on to the mirror. Okay, let it be. We'll be going for the mirror with this sketch only. It's a very easy tools. We'll see. Now what I need to do, you can see first I will click on the mirror. It's totally depend on your requirement how you want to create the mirror. Like we'll see, I want to create the mirror this inner rectangle. So you can see first entities to mirror. So what are the object you want to create the mirror, that you need to select here. So I'll select this entire rectangle. Now you can see here the 4 line it's showing, doesn't matter. So mirror about in the sense the line of symmetricity. So I will select this line as line of symmetricity. Now you can see here. So what is happening here? So this line is getting mirror over here, and just look at here, I have selected here the option copy. So just go with this OK. Now you see here what happens. I have selected the copy options there. So that's the reason that's got mirror in terms of copy. If you want to shift this component from here to there, so what you need to do, you need to just uncheck the option copy. Let's see, we'll see once again. Go for the mirror. So entities to mirror, I'll select one by one. Okay, we can select the both also at a time like this, and I want to go for the line of symmetricity, this lines, and I will just uncheck the copy option. Just go with this. Okay, let's see what happens. This is very useful tool that will make you more efficient while you are sketching. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the more videos on SolidWorks. Thank you and have a nice day.